Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Have not made one on Apld in a while now because it's moving. It's headed towards 50. I told you guys when everything was cheap, when this thing was under 25, under 30, when it was at $18, $20. What was I telling you guys? I was telling you, hey, this thing can go to 50. Like guys. Once we go into the bull run, everything's gonna go up. Well, almost everything's going to go up. And what's going to happen is Apld is going to go to 50. Now, we're almost there. We're not that far off from 50. I believe 100 is possible. If you guys recall, I gave you a longer term price target of $100. That is very doable. As you just saw, the bull market is here. And here we are from low 20s to 44. $100 is my firm price target. I still believe in that. So if you were buying at 20s or even back when I first talked about it back in 10s, guys, there's potential here for, if you bought at 10s and you're under 10s and you're still holding, continue to hold because this is a potential 10x or plus, depending on what your average is. If your average is at $6, why would you sell? You're almost at 10x. In $16, you're going to be at 10x. At $100, you're going to be at a ridiculous X. I don't even know what that would be. It would just be ridiculous X at that point. Not to be confused with American X. But Apld, I remain firm with that $100 price targets. This is not some analyst. This is just some guy in his room looking at charts and who's giving you the buy signal saying, hey, if you're okay with buying up here, fine. That's fine, but, just be okay with holding in the red because we might come down at some point. At some point, we're going to pull back. We don't go straight up forever, just like we don't go straight down forever. If you were already a part of the crash that happened, the 7-month crash from October to April, you know that stocks don't go up forever, and you know now that stocks don't go down forever. So, right, you know how to play the game now. But if you're not in it, just be very careful. And if you are going to jump in, just be okay with dollar cost averaging and holding in the red. You've already been through it once, if not many times. We're here, whatever, right? When you see red in your portfolio at this point, you should just be like, whatever. Been there, done that. You don't care. You shouldn't care. You've already been through 7 months of tanking. In fact, Apld is going to go through another bear market in the future at some point. You better be excited for that. Hell yeah. Because there's people telling me right now, reaching out to me right now. Trucker Jeff was even telling me, man, I should have bought when it was at 20s. I feel so stupid for not buying when it was cheap. And it's well, yeah, what do you want me? I can't, what do you want me to say? People are so scared when things are cheap. It's so weird. People have died getting trampled on Black Friday because they're not scared. They are scared. They're scared that you're going to get the discount. You're going to get the 70-inch TV for 70% off. So they're willing to crush your head and they're willing to stampede all over you if it means they get the 70% off on that big TV. People have died in those stampedes. People have died getting crushed by lots of feet stepping all over them, a lot of weight on them, right? People have ended up hospitalized. And yet, only in the stock market, and I always say this because it's just funny to me. What the hell is wrong with people? Only in the stock market do people look at a stock giving you a 50% discount and they go, oh no. It's so weird. I don't understand. You should be willing to kill someone right now for a $20 discount, or not $20 discount, a 50% discount on Apld. You better hope that this drops back to 20s, but I don't think we're going to see 20s again. I would be shocked if we did. That's a long way down. Something crazy would have to happen. But I think in the next bear market, it'll come down maybe to 30 to 40, depending on how far it goes up. The higher this thing goes, the worse. You might never see. I don't think you're ever going to see 10s. That's for sure. You're never going to see 20s. The only way we were going to see 10s and under is if we would have had to have gone into a bear market that lasts a year and a half. And even then, the bear market, that October crash sent everything down, but this thing just stayed in a volatile range. So I don't think this thing held up very well. So, and now it's finally breaking out. I told you guys if this breaks out, it's going to go, and here we are. This is just getting started. I find it insane that people think oh no, it's going to come down back to 20s. Motherfucker, we're done with that. You guys are some of you, not all of you, but some of you are so scarred from the bear market. This channel isn't monetized, by the way. I left the YouTube partner program a long time ago. I make more from selling covered calls than from the ad revenue, so you shouldn't be seeing ads. But I can actually put on music and swear because I'm not monetized. I don't have to follow the rules. But yeah, guys, please, I'm telling you right now, I'm at a loss for words. It is insane. You should be willing to crush a lot of babies to buy this thing next time it comes down really cheap. Do not make that mistake again. I'm specifically talking to Trucker Jeff. He's the one who's crying in the Discord. I should have bought at 20s. I'm so stupid. Well, now you know. Next time it's at 20s, next time it's at whatever the low is, you fucking buy and you hold and you'll make a lot of money. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple. That is it for the video. I will see you in the next one.